Yeah, absolutely. And just for some context, MX is a company that helps financial institutions, fintechs, and businesses understand and do more with their financial data. So, as their mission as a company, they strive to improve business and consumer outcomes by helping those businesses to reliably connect and verify data, add context to financial data, and deliver personalized money experiences to improve customer engagement and retention. So when MX first brought on Ceros, they had specific content in mind that they wanted to transform. We started working with the sales enablement team at MX, and they knew from the start of their trial with Ceros that they wanted to reimagine and transform the sales collateral they were providing for their sales reps, just to better prep them for more productive conversations with those potential clients and ultimately lead to closing more new business deals. They wanted to also present their company and their brand in like more of a modern light that would help them stand out against their competition. They just were really feeling that the traditional PowerPoint and PDF slide decks were something that kind of was starting to feel stale, and they wanted to recreate it with a digital audience in mind.